The 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland is a refresh of the popular electric car, bringing some notable improvements over the previous model year. Exterior and interior. Sleeker front-end design gives the car a more modern look. Quieter cabin thanks to improved sound-deadening materials and acoustic glass. Updated interior materials that feel more premium. New 15.4-inch infotainment screen with a thinner bezel for a larger appearance and faster processor. Flat-bottomed steering wheel with a new design. Removal of stalks for turn signals and gear selection, which has been a point of contention for some reviewers. Turn signals are now buttons on the wheel, and gear selection is done through the touchscreen. Performance. Entertaining handling and sporty acceleration remain key selling points. Long-range all-wheel drive version boasts an estimated range of 400 miles, 629 kilometers. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds for the long-range version. Other considerations. Lack of physical buttons for some key functions continues to be a point of criticism for some users who find it distracting to use the touchscreen while driving. Advertised range can be difficult to achieve in real-world driving conditions. This is a common issue with many electric vehicles. Tesla's autopilot system still has some limitations and requires driver attention at all times. Overall, the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland remains a compelling option for those looking for an affordable, desirable, and fun-to-drive electric car with a good driving range. The refresh brings some welcome improvements to the interior and exterior, but the lack of physical controls and the limitations of autopilot are still areas for Tesla to address.